We're now going to explore Renaissance architecture. These buildings were usually square or rectangular in shape. They were symmetrical and included Roman-like columns. So if we go over to the columns, Roman-like columns, and the roofs were usually dome-shaped, as you can see here. So we've got two Renaissance examples here with a dome-shaped roof. You can see in this example the columns inspired by Rome. So dome-shaped roof, columns, the square building, and if we put a line down the middle there, it would be symmetrical on both sides. Okay, this is an example of Italian Renaissance, a building in Florence, and they are typically famous for having the orange, bright orange, red tiles on the roof. So what we are going to do, we are going to draw an example of a Renaissance building using a pen, and we are going to add orange, a little splash of colour, to the tiles on the roof. So using our pen, you can start wherever you like. I'm just going to zoom in for this one. I'm going to start by just doing this line here. I'm going to bring it down a bit. You can plan it out first of all in pencil if you want to. I'm just going to go straight in with pen. You can be quite sketchy with pen, as long as you're pressing lightly. A man might just go out of the frame. So I'm going to start drawing this part here now. So as we can see in the picture, there's dashes just along the roof, which does represent the roof tiles. I'll put them in last. I'm going to go up to this part, the dome-shaped part, and I'm going to try my best to make this symmetrical. So now I'm moving up to the columns. And it looks like mine's going to actually have to go out with the frame my drawing. So So in every piece that you are drawing, you want to be making sure that the building is symmetrical. So it's exactly the same on both sides. So if you put a line of symmetry down the middle, it's the same on both sides. That doesn't mean that the shading on both sides of the building has to be the same. It just means that the building itself has to be the same. So your shading might be different depending on where the light's shining from. So if the light's shining from here, it's going to be darker on this side of the building. So if you want to give that impression of it being darker, you can just add some more lines to your shading. So now what we're going to do, as you can see in this picture here, which is in Italy, and Italy does have a lot of examples of Renaissance architecture still available to see. We are going to use inspiration of that domed building there where it's got the orange roof tiles. So we're just going to very lightly add some orange to the roof.